Ela mete os sítios de luxo.
Tens que ir ao centro e arrumar a comida.
Não, mas ele falou onde é que era. Vou dar mensagem então, fica pra ela chegando.
Hello, Porto, Portugal, and more specifically, Praia de Valadares. It is a new day today, Saturday, 3rd of February 2024, and it's time for yet another day filled with beach adventures in Porto. If you have been following my channel, I already did 15 beach adventures yesterday on 2nd of February. So this is day 2 of my exploration, and today I'm starting for the southern coast, southern beaches of Porto. And to get here I actually took a bus from the bridge, the famous bridge Ponto Luis. That's one of the it's actually the best attraction there is in Porto. It's very beautiful views over there, and right under the bridge from the other side, I mean not in the center, but on the other side, you can take a bus 906 that will take you to Praia de Madalena, that I'm going to visit later. But I saw from that this beach, Praia de Valadares, it's only 1 kilometer, so I wanted to start here, as I calculated my goal to do 10 beaches today. So let's see if that comes true, because now it is 12:30. I started off later today because I had a very big breakfast in my hostel, Porto spot. Very good hostel, very good breakfast, very good standard. And I also did some sightseeing and some pictures on the Ponte Luis, the bridge, and around Porto. But yes, this is the first beach adventure. It is 19 degrees Celsius right now, and in the sea it is the same temperature as yesterday, 13.7. So let's then not wait any longer and check out the water. So this is actually the north part of the beach, Praia Valadares de Norte. There is also a southern part, but the beach is a mixture of sand, pebbles and rocks also. And because there are rocks, the waves are not massive at the beginning. On the other hand, it's going to be a challenge to take a swim here now, I realize. So wish me luck, as I see lots of rocks around here. And my feet are actually drowning in the sand. Alright, now we have some waves also as well, but they are being intercepted by the waves, by the rocks, I mean to say. It's good that the rocks are not rocky, I mean not slippery. I don't know what I'm saying, but I'm obviously tired from yesterday, and I really hope that the beaches, as I approach towards the center here, Norte, it's gonna be better and with lots of sand. I hope so, because I suspect there is sand here, but the rocks are blocking the sand here. Let's see. I mean, it is also deep enough here to take a swim as well already, but I want it to be a bit more deeper, as it is the first beach adventure of the day. Alright. Now it is rocks everywhere. Not convenient at all. Alright, let's take then a swim right here, as it's not more deep over there, I suspect. Alright, let's go! It is very shallow here, so I'm just trying to accommodate my body in the water. But it's nice, I mean, it's still the same ocean, and the waves here are not that big. So check from Praia de Valadares here in Porto. I just can't believe I'm doing beach adventures in Portugal, in Porto more specifically in February, but it's such a beauty, such a beauty. Thanks a lot for watching this episode. Stay tuned for more episodes on the channel and more exploring more beaches on my channel that is called Beach Adventures with Chris.